Welcome back to our Learn German series. In Lesson 5, we're about to equip you with more indispensable phrases that will prove to be your language lifelines in everyday German interactions. So, let's dive right in and expand your linguistic toolkit. Danke schön. When someone does you a favor or offers help, show your gratitude by saying Danke schön. It's like, thank you very much. Try it, Danke schön. Bitte schön. In response to a thank you, you'd say Bitte schön, which means you're welcome. Let's say it together. Bitte schön. Bitte. When you're requesting something politely, like please pass the salt, use Bitte. It's your magic word for please. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. In formal situations, when you need to say excuse me, please, use Entschuldigen Sie bitte. It's a courteous way to get someone's attention. Entschuldigung, bitte. In a more informal setting, you can simply say Entschuldigung, bitte to mean excuse me, please. Es tut mir leid. When you need to apologize and say I'm sorry, use Es tut mir leid. It's your heartfelt apology. Sprechen Sie Deutsch, Englisch? Remember our previous lesson? Now, you can ask someone if they speak German or English by saying Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Or Sprechen Sie Englisch? Try it out. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Ich spreche kein Englisch. If you don't speak English, you can say Ich spreche kein Englisch. It means I don't speak English. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch-Englisch. When you want to express that you speak a bit of German or English, use Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch or Ich spreche ein bisschen Englisch. Ich verstehe nicht. When you're in a conversation but things get a bit tricky, and you don't understand, you can say Ich verstehe nicht. It means I don't understand. Ich weiß nicht. To admit that you don't know the answer to a question, say Ich weiß nicht. It's your way of saying I don't know. These phrases are like keys that unlock doors to effective communication. Keep practicing them until you feel comfortable using them naturally. And as always, at the end of this video, you'll find a quick recap of all the phrases you've learned so far. Stay tuned for more exciting language adventures in our Learn German series. Thanks for joining us in Lesson 5, and let's keep building your confidence in speaking German. Viel Erfolg!